Are you hot? Yes, I am very hot. Is the air conditioning on? No, it is off. Can I turn it on? Yes, please do. And can you turn on the radio too? Of course. Is your house big? Yes, it is pretty big. Is it new? No, it is very old. Is it nice? Not really. It is cold in winter. Oh no, that's not good. I like your shoes. Are they new? Yes, they are. Are they expensive? No, they are very cheap. Are they comfortable? Yes, they are very comfortable. Are they from the discount shoe shop? Yes, how did you guess? Are you hungry? Yes, I am very hungry. Do you want pizza? Yes, let's get some. Is the pizza shop still open? Yes, it is open until 10. What time is it now? 8. It's open for 2 more hours. Great. I am starving.